Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and today we have the Minkoff Hudson Moto crossbody bag, I believe. I actually got it during the sample sale, and I got it for actually a really good deal. This bag retails for $265, and I got it for $65 plus tax, so it was under $70, I believe, or around there. So if you're interested in seeing this bag, just keep on watching, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that ring bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload more videos. And let's get into this. And it's very nicely packaged with bubble wrap and Rebecca Minkoff right there. Here's my receipt. And like I said, it's the Hudson Moto Mini in black. And I was just looking for a casual bag to replace my Michael Kors bag because I needed something just a little bit bigger. Let's just lift this up. I need something just a little bit bigger than my MK bag. But looking at it, looks almost about the same size. But what I like is that it's all black. Oh. Okay, scissors time. So pretty. Now here it is without all that tissue wrapping. Has a little, here's the logo plaque. I love that it's black on black. I really like my bags like that because it'll match with everything. It'll match with gold stuff and silver stuff. And the strap is adjustable. And it has this clasp detail that's very classic of the Rebecca Minkoff. You see that in the Mini Max and other handbags that she has. Now this is magnetic right here. And it has an extra compartment here. Not much would fit in here. Maybe your phone if you carry it without a case, but not if you carry a bulky case. It'll be too bulky. But papers, gum, anything like that. Now inside, tissue. Comes with its dust bag. Just classic white with blue. Okay. Always keep the tissue it comes with. That way you could keep them stuffed when you store them away, so they could keep their structure. Inside there is no pockets, only this slip pocket right here, and it's pretty tight. and small. Not much would fit there. Maybe just like a business card. As you can see, there's a card in here. That's probably all that would fit there. Or your ID card or a credit card or whatever. I'm glad it has this magnetic closure because it would be a pain in the butt to be always clasping this and unclasping it. It's not the most ideal thing, but it sure will keep your items secured. And it is an accordion style purse. So which is good because it'll stretch out a bit if you need it to, depending on how much you throw in there. Now I originally bought this bag to replace this Minkoff Kors bag. And looking at them, comparing them side by side, they're almost about the same width. Maybe just Minkoff Kors is a little bit longer, not that much if you could tell right there, but the width from the side, this one's a lot bigger, and that's what I needed because this one is just too skinny, not enough room sometimes, but sometimes it works out perfect. But I wanted something just a little bit bigger, and that's why I got this one, because it will stretch out, which is nice when it's an accordion style bag. And so yeah, that's why I got it in this color as well. And I like that the hardware is all black, because it will go with everything. Unlike the one I was using previously, it has gold hardware, and it wouldn't combine too well with some outfits. When it was silver and gray, it wouldn't go too well with my black and gold handbag. And I want this as an everyday bag, and it's very casual like. It's an edgy look to it. I love the hardware on it. It's a nice black. It's a nice shiny black, not so much of a matte black, but a shiny black. And it has the hardware over here. So overall, I am very happy with my purchase. It's a very lovely bag. For the price, it was a heck of a good deal. I couldn't resist. And this will be my go-to bag for everyday wear. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.